DJI claims 18 minutes of flight time. And in my first battery test, I only got to 9 minutes. And to be honest, that was a little bit of disappointment. But of course, I also made mistakes. I did not have the ideal conditions, it was windy, and also I was not consistently when I did do the flying. So in battery test part 2, I will try to get a little bit closer to the truth.
Before heading outside, I wanted a control benchmark indoor, where wind isn't a factor, so I run 2 hover tests side by side, one with prop guard installed and one without. Same drone, same battery, same test, and the goal was simple. Find out how much those prop guards affects flight time. And the result was clear. With prop guards the drone flew for 12 minutes and 40 seconds. Without prop guard it reached 13 minutes and 45 seconds. That is 1 minute and 40 seconds longer without prop guards, which is a significant difference.
I see a lot of people watching these videos are not subscribed yet. If you want to help the channel, please subscribe. Part 3 is already coming up.
For the outdoor test, I use cruise control to let the drone slowly fly towards the bridge. Looking at the wind gust, I could see it had a slight tailwind, so that could help a little too. The drone was flying slowly and I followed it on my bike, updating the home point from time to time. And just before reaching the bridge, it suddenly started landing because of a wind warning. Once it was down, I could see that there was still battery left. So I launched again using the same battery and flew a little further. Not ideal for a perfect test, but even so, it reached 11 minutes and 19 seconds. That's over 2 minutes longer than my first test. And this was still with the prop guard installed. I also changed recording 1080p at 30 frames a second, which in theory should use less energy. But that's something I'll test separately in the next video.
So what did I learn from part 2? First, there's a clear difference between flying with and without the prop guard. And outdoors, I improved from 9 minutes till 11 minutes. That's also a big difference. But I'm still nowhere near to the promised 18 minutes. So this isn't the final test. There will be a part 3. So see you in the next time. Hope you subscribe and hope you enjoyed this content. Bye!